Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about our plants. We try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow nice, full, and lush how we like them. So today, I have all of my plants over here, so I'm looking at them. They're still in bins and they need water. The plant room is not set up yet, so they can't go back in the plant room because we still got to paint. But they need water. So what I'm going to do is pull them out of the bins, put them up on this table and water them, and then leave them out for a little bit, maybe put them back in the bins. I don't know yet. I haven't thought that far. But yeah, they need water, so we're watering them. Alright. Alright, so just a quick little view of the plants still in their bin, in the bins. This is only like half of my collection. I still have to go get the rest. But I was hoping the plant room would be done, but we've had like a lot of rain and a lot of humidity, and yeah, so you can see the Brazil got burnt. We'll cut that up when I pull that out to water it, and yeah. So this is what we're doing. I left all of their trays at school, in my apartment at school. So I have these trays that I'm going to water them on, and I'm going to set up the camera so that you can see the plant that I pull out, you see me watering it, and then I'm going to move the plant probably over there and like fill these up instead of moving the tripod a bunch of times. I think that'll be easier. And yeah, and you want to see the puppies? Let's see if I can reach them. We got Bear, Blaze, and Boo-Boo is right there. Alright. So yeah, I'll set up the tripod, set up the camera, get my water ready, and see you in a bit. Alright, I got some water with just the all-purpose Miracle Grow, the blue powder in there, and let's start pulling out some plants. Ooh. Alright, quick update. We got 2 trays full and watered. We have some of this guy. I still have more plants in the bins. We've had 2 casualties so far. Ooh, sorry. We lost a leaf. I don't think that's coming back. I tried to tape it, as you can see, but we just lost a leaf on my pink princess. And then we have, this is the plant. It was only 1 pot that broke, which is better than 2. I thought there was 2. This is my pile of crappy leaves. And it was for the goldfish plant, Shady Ladies May. This plant right here. And, yeah, I'm lazy, so I'm just going to glue this together real quick and stick that back in. Because there's still more plants in these bins that I have to water and get situated. So, yeah, alrighty. Alright, we got it glued back together. It's not pretty, but I don't have another pot this size that isn't already taken up with another future plant prospect, so we glued it back together. It looks fine. Everything has been watered. My table is full of plants. And yeah, there's still some plants. The sun changed, so the lighting, maybe this way? Is that better? I can't tell. But my begonias actually still look good, so that's exciting. So the plants that are still in the bins have their own attached like drainage dish, or no drainage hole at all. So I just watered them in place, also because I ran out of room. So yeah, this is what we got going on. And there's still about 100 plants left at school that I have to bring back and find a spot for. So yeah. And yeah, so until next time, relax, plants, and peace out.